Hi guys, welcome back on another video. In today's video, I will show you all of the recent sneak peeks for the upcoming update on Rogue Demon. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe with notifications so you won't miss an upload. Let's get right into the video. The first one I will show you is the new execution effects. What do you guys think? Comment it down below. They also announced that void bugging is bannable. They also announced that holding X or leg switching is bannable. As for the second sneak peek, it's going to be a Kaza spec cutscene.
そうか。術式展開。破壊策羅針。素晴らしき才能を持つ者が醜く衰えてゆく。俺は辛い。耐えられない。破壊策。意識。いい動きだ。鬼になれ杏寿郎。そして俺とどこまでも戦い高め合おう。
It's only a spec that Yao will never get. It cannot be added into the gamma because it grabs a player, 1 minute cutscene one shot. It is too OP because after you use it, it will come back and you can use it again because the cutscene lasts for 1 minute. As for the third sneak peek, it will only be a new emote. This emote will surely be used by toxic players. As for the fourth sneak peek, they sended this screenshot. I think it will be new sound move or possibly musical score. Comment down below your ideas. As for the fifth and last sneak peek, it will be a revamp of Flame Breathing Ultimate. It surely looks cooler and better than the current one. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching this far. Peace.